GibbsCam 14 continues to build on that universal kinematic machine engine that we introduced a few years back. One of the things that we're able to do now is U-axis turning like you see here. Let me pull up a video really quick and show you an example of U-axis turning on a Trevisan machine. You can see in this application the part is too big and probably too unwieldy to put on a lathe, so this U-axis machining is a really great solution for this. And this is really big if you're in the valve business, or if really you just need to turn something that's either too big or too strange to fit on the lathe. And you can see here the adjustment in that axis. So let's get back into GibbsCam. I wanted to quickly show how easy it is to program this U-axis. If we double click on the tool, we can see setup's really easy. We open up our intermediate tooling page and we can see that here's the tool listed, and we also have these attachment points. This tool that we see on the right has 5 different attachment points for the cutter. We can pick each one of those depending on the type of tool or the type of machining that we're going to be doing. Let's go ahead and move on really quick to machines with swappable heads. GibbsCam 14 now supports machines that have several heads on them, and now a swappable head may be something like you see here, going from maybe a right angle head to a straight head or vice versa. It's a head that may change the axes of machining for your part and for that operation. So this is a pretty straightforward example. We've got a right angle head coming in and doing some machining, right after that straight head came in and did it. I want to show you another example that I feel is just really interesting. This machine is a Waldrich Coburg Taurus machine. This actually has these big swappable heads. You can see here it's going with a 5th axis head to do those fillets on the side. I'm going to speed this up a little bit so we can get to the other stuff. So here's where it's going to go ahead and swap out for that next head. You can see there's some really interesting tool motion there, but this is one of those machines that you actually can walk into, the ones at the tool shows that are just enormous. Some of them have cars on the beds, but this is an example of a really good advanced piece of machinery that is now programmable inside of GibbsCam really easily using that swappable heads capability. And again, to choose those heads, really easy to do, just like you'd expect in GibbsCam. Just double click on the tool, come over to my intermediate tooling, and now you can see here are the 3 different heads that I have available in this new graphic display in GibbsCam 14. So if you have any questions at all about GibbsCam 14, new functionality, or advanced machines that you may be thinking about getting, just reach out to your local reseller. We'd love to have a discussion with you. Thank you.